Hi friends, it's Miss Rachel with the Untitled Chapter Public Library, and today we are making a snowman craft for our Zoom story room. So in addition to your craft kit from the library, you'll also need a glue stick and some markers. So first, we're going to take out all of the elements of our craft kit. We've got a big black sheet of paper. It's just folded up so it fits in there okay. And we're going to take one big coffee filter, one medium cupcake liner, and one itty bitty cupcake liner. And this is going to make our snowman. Also, we have two cute red cupcake liners that are going to be the scarf. And we've got a very cute little hat here. So, let's start by gluing down the body of the snowman. We will open up our glue stick and get started. I'm going to begin with the largest piece first. And using my glue stick, I'm going to put the glue on the black paper instead of on the coffee filter, just because I think it will be a little bit less flimsy and movable that way. And then we're going to press it down all over. Get it nice and flat. And if you have edges that are popping up like this, you can just add a little bit of extra glue to your black paper by lifting up the edge and gluing it down. There we go. Now on to our cupcake liner. We're going to do the same thing. I want this cupcake liner to overlap at least a little bit with our big old coffee filter. Because in real life, when you make a snowman, the parts have to be connected and touching so that your snowman doesn't topple over. So we're going to try and make it look like that. Also, we want our snowman to fit on our paper. Finally, we'll do the same thing with our last little bitty cupcake liner. And that will make the head. Now my hat is going to come up off the paper just a little bit, it looks like, because of how big and tall my snowman is. So I'm going to go ahead and just put a little bit of glue on the very bottom of the hat. And I'm going to keep the glue in the middle too, so that it attaches well to the cupcake liner. And we've got the base of our snowman. Now, let's start decorating. I'm going to begin the decorations with the scarf, because this part, to me, is extra fun. These little pieces here are going to be the scarf, and they're pretty big right now, big and fluffy. To make them look more like a regular scarf or a handkerchief that a snowman might have around its neck, we can fold it in half and crease it. And then if you take one end and kind of push your fingers up, you can make it so that it's a little crinkly on one end. And there we go. I'm going to do the same thing with this other one. I'm going to fold it in half, crease it, and crinkle it up a little bit. And we want the red part mostly to be the part that's showing. We don't want a whole lot of the white showing because we've already got plenty of white on our snowman. So now I have those parts ready to go, and we're just going to glue them down in the same manner. And our scarf is going to go up by our snowman's neck, which is where my snowman likes to wear a scarf, but I suppose you could make a silly snowman and put his scarf somewhere else. Perfect. Next, we'll use our markers to decorate. So I'm going to begin with a blue marker and just do a little strip on the hat just to kind of accent it. Maybe it's a ribbon, maybe it's a band of leather, who knows. And then our snowman needs a face. So we'll start with 2 eyes. And you could just do nice black dots here because snowmen can have eyes made of lumps of coal. Then we'll do a big smiling face. And we can make some coal teeth in there too. Same thing, just little circles with your marker to make the dots. And our snowman's missing a nose. He needs a carrot nose, so I'm going to use orange for that. And I'm coloring mine in. There we are. And then because it's cold and chilly out, I'm going to give him rosy pink cheeks. And I made my nose so big that I have to draw the rosy pink cheeks around him. There we go. Now you can really customize as much as you'd like. You can do some buttons. Or you can do more lumps of coal. Or you can do both. And then we can add some arms with a brown or other dark marker because we want it to be able to show up on this black paper. And make them look like sticks or branches, but also like snowman hands. And we are set to jet. If your kit has some snowflake stickers, feel free to add those in as well. And I hope you had fun crafting with us today. We'll see you next time. Bye!